Okay, so today I've got the perfect example of how to use a dog and wedge. And there's plenty of ways, but I'm implementing it today to pull this wall into this piece. See this healthy gap? So I've got the dog here. Put the wedge up underneath. And you always want to put the wedge on the side that you welded. Drive the wedge in. Got that closed up. So I'm gonna have to do it probably 1 or 2 more times here. But that's it. Once you get it where you want it, just tack it. Oh, lost my nozzle. But yeah, here we go. That's how you use a dog and wedge and lose your nozzle. Let's knock it loose. And then you want to beat your dog towards the welds.